Have you ever wondered how a Joule Thief works? Well, there is a transistor, there is a resistor, there is a transformer which is hand wound, and the load which is our LED. And when you connect the battery, the electricity can take two paths. It could take this path or this one. But this one, the transistor isn't on, nor the LED is conducting. So the current will choose this path where it can go to the base like this, and it will turn on the transistor. And it will turn on the transistor not fully, but partially. And this partial conduction will energize this coil. And when it does, it will create a magnetic field. And this magnetic field will create a voltage in this coil. This coil is wound in the other direction, so the voltage here will be the opposite direction of this one. So the voltage generated in this will be actually adding to the battery voltage, which will supply more current into the base. So the transistor then turns on fully, and the coil starts to saturate. As the magnetic field builds up, there is a point that the magnetic field can't build up anymore because the core is completely saturated. That's when it will stop generating a voltage in this coil, which means the transistor will start to turn off. And when it starts to turn off, the magnetic field in this coil will start to collapse. And this collapsing magnetic field will again generate a voltage in this coil. But this time it's in the other direction, which means it will subtract from the battery voltage, which means it will pull down the base of the transistor, turning it off fully. And as it does, the coil's magnetic field will collapse even more, and then it will also generate a voltage in itself in this coil, because now there's no voltage connected to it. And the voltage in this coil will be now adding to the battery voltage, and it will be enough to power the LED until it repeats.